In this module, we will cover how to set up a holiday schedule in the phone system using an auto attendant. What you will need to perform this task. You will need access to the admin portal, and a recorded greeting in a .wav format or a script if planning on using text-to-speech to create the recording. A popular feature in the phone system is the ability to schedule off hours for special occasions such as holidays. These holiday schedules consist of 4 main parts: the phone number outside callers dial to reach your organization, the time condition used to schedule how calls are handled at specific times, the IVR or auto attendant used to play a recording and offer options for the caller to select, and the recording the callers hear when they call in. Step 1 is to record and upload a new recording into the phone system for the holiday. Once you have the recorded message, log into the admin portal with administrator credentials. Click on Applications from the top menu and select Recordings. Click Add in the upper right corner. A Windows file upload box should pop up. If not, click the blank box to the left of the Upload button. Select the .wav file to use and click Open. It is best to give the file a name that will allow you to identify it and its purpose. Click Upload. The recording will now appear in the list of available recordings. Note: if needed, leaving a voicemail is a method for recording a message. That voicemail can be saved to a computer and renamed and uploaded to the system. Another option for Step 1 is to use the text-to-speech option to have an automated voice create a recording using a script you provide. Once you have the new script for the recording, log into the admin portal with administrator credentials. Click on Applications from the top menu and select Recordings. Click Text-to-Speech in the upper right corner. The Text-to-Speech Recordings page lists the existing recordings. To edit an existing recording, click on the name of the recording. In the text field, enter the new dialogue of the script. Please note that using punctuation and spacing will generate pauses to help the flow of the recording. After the changes have been made to the script, press Save in the upper right corner. After the save is finished, then press the Generate Recording button. This will update the recording and make it available for use. You can review the recording by pressing the Playback button. This will update the existing recording, replacing the old recording. Any auto attendants using the old message will automatically be updated with the new recording. Step 2 is to add the new recording to the IVR. If the IVR already exists for holiday schedules, then these steps can be followed to change the recording. Click on Applications from the top menu and select IVR menus. Locate the Holiday IVR and click the name to open it. In the Greet Long drop-down box, select the recording that has been created for the holiday. Click Save in the upper right corner. If there is no holiday IVR, then a new auto attendant can be created. We suggest naming the IVR the location plus the word holiday so it can be easily identified. To create an IVR, first log into the admin portal with administrator credentials. Click on Applications from the top menu and select IVR menus. Click Add in the upper right corner to create a new one. Like extensions, IVRs must have a unique extension number not used elsewhere in the system. It's best to identify a vacant number before creating a new auto attendant. Enter the name and extension in the first 2 fields. In the Greet Long drop-down box, select the recording that has been previously uploaded to the system. The Options setting allows for customizing what options are available to the caller. In the Option field, enter the number the caller is to press. Single-digit numbers can be used as well as the pound and star symbols. In the Destination selection, select the category and the destination to be used for the button. Continue adding as many options as needed on the following lines. The timeout gives an option for how many milliseconds the caller has to make a decision prior to the system sending the call to the exit action. In the Exit Action field, select where the call will be directed if no option is selected. Click Save in the upper right corner. Once the IVR is in place, the time condition can be adjusted with the new schedule. The time condition, as the name implies, schedules where a call is directed based on dates and times. Click on Applications from the top menu and select Time Conditions. Locate the time condition that needs to be edited. Under the Settings section, use the blank settings to create the holiday conditions. Months, day of the month, and times can be used to define the holiday schedule. Set the holiday IVR as the destination. In the last field, a weight value is assigned. The condition with the lowest value, 500 and above, that a call matches will determine where the call is directed. Be sure the holiday setting has the lowest value of all settings. The weight of other settings can be changed if the current settings leave no room for the holiday setting to be closest to 500. Be sure to leave the other settings in place so that calls will return to normal after the holiday schedule is over. Click Save in the upper right corner. If no time condition exists, then one can be created. Click on Applications from the top menu and select Time Conditions. Click Add to create a new one. Like extensions, time conditions must have a unique extension number not used elsewhere in the system. It is best to identify a vacant number before creating a new time condition. Enter the name and extension in the first two fields. Under the Settings section, you can create conditions. If calls match those conditions, they will be routed to the destination listed under the setting. Additional conditions can be added to a setting to meet more specific needs by clicking the plus symbol in the upper right corner of the setting. They can also be removed by clicking the minus symbol at the end of the condition. Destinations can include extensions, ring groups, auto attendants, or even recordings. Select the category of the destination, and in the second box, select the specific location in that category. In the last field, a weight value is assigned to the setting 500 and greater. The condition with the lowest value that a call matches will determine where the call is directed. If a call doesn't match the setting, it will check if it meets the next setting with the lowest weight value. Multiple settings can be created for specific needs, such as after hours or office closures. Holiday presets can be selected and scheduled for convenience. The predefined holidays can be edited to fit your schedule. The alternate destination is the catch-all if a call doesn't meet the above criteria. Note, the destinations must be created before creating the time condition, as they are required fields. However, these settings can be changed later as needed. Click Save in the upper right corner. The last step is to make sure the 10-digit DID number is set to send calls to the time condition. If a time condition is in place and already used by the DID number, then this step should already be complete. However, if you wish to double-check or a new time condition has been created, then do the following. Click on Dial Plan from the top menu and select Destinations. The Destinations page will show all of the 10-digit numbers currently assigned to your phone system. Locate the number you wish to assign by using the search feature or by finding the number from the list provided. Select the number to open the destination page. Under Actions, select the first drop-down option. Set the action to time condition. In the second drop-down box, select the time condition with the holiday schedule. Click Save in the upper right corner. With this, the holiday schedule should be in place.